14 Great Facts about honeybees. 1. Honeybees are recognized for being very fast and nimble in the way they fly around. In fact, they are said to be able to fly at around 15 miles an hour. 2. The fact that honeybees are said to be such hard workers in what they do and how they go about their business is said to be in part due to the fact that they never sleep. 3. Incredibly, it has been found that they do not just have 2 eyes, but they do in fact have 5 eyes, 3 small ones on top of the head and 2 big ones in front. 4. The way they will communicate with each other is quite different in that they will try and communicate with each other by dancing and by using pheromones. 5. It has been noted that they will attempt to travel up to 3 miles from their hive where the other bees reside to go in search of food for their hive. 6. It has been established through scientific findings that the queen may lay between 600 and 800 and sometimes up to 1,500 eggs each and every day during their life. 7. Scientists had also worked put that their wings will stroke at 11,400 times each and every minute, which is what in fact causes the bees' very distinctive buzz. 8. There is not another insect in the entire world that has been found to produce food for humans except for the honeybee, which produces honey in abundance. 9. It has been scientifically proved that they are very intelligent insects that can actually recognize individual human faces. 10. It has been proved that unlike some of their insect cousins that stay alive after they sting other, they will actually die after they sting another. 11. It has been noted that they will be required to eat about 8 pounds of honey to produce 1 pound of beeswax, which is deposited in the nest. 12. Researchers have found that honeybees are responsible for pollinating approximately 80% of all fruit, vegetable and seed crops in the United States of America alone. 13. The only reason found why bees are only allowed to be able to sting once is that the stinger of the bee remains in the victim's skin once it had stung the person. 14. The reason it causes death to the bee is that when the bee moves or is scraped away, the stinger is jerked from the bee's body along with their venom sac, causing their death.